Cleaning my house. Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. Today I'd like to talk about something that most of us do, even if we don't always enjoy it: cleaning the house. To be honest, cleaning is not my favorite activity. If someone asked me, would you rather clean your house or watch a movie? I would probably choose the movie. But I also know that a clean home makes me feel happier, healthier, and more comfortable. So let's talk about how I usually clean my house. I don't wait until my house becomes very messy. I try to clean a little every day. That way, the work doesn't become too difficult. Usually, I choose one day of the week for a bigger cleaning session. For many people, that's Saturday or Sunday. I like to start in the morning when I have plenty of energy. Before I begin, I open the windows. Fresh air makes the whole house feel brighter and cleaner. I also like to play some soft music. Music makes cleaning much more enjoyable. Time seems to pass more quickly when my favorite songs are playing. The first thing I do is pick up things that are lying around. Books go back on the shelf. Shoes go into the shoe rack. Clothes are folded or put in the laundry basket. Toys, bags, and other small items are returned to their proper places. It's surprising how much better a room looks after simply putting everything where it belongs. Next, I dust the furniture. Dust collects everywhere. On tables, shelves, televisions, picture frames, and even on places we don't notice very often. I wipe everything carefully with a clean cloth. Watching the dust disappear is strangely satisfying. After dusting, it's time to vacuum or sweep the floor. I like seeing the floor become clean again. Sometimes I wonder where all the dust comes from. Even if I cleaned yesterday, somehow there's more dust today. Once the floor is free of dust, I mop it. A freshly mopped floor makes the whole house smell nice and feel fresh. Then I move on to the kitchen. The kitchen often needs the most attention because it is used every day. I wash the dishes if there are any in the sink. I clean the kitchen counter. I wipe the stove. I organize the refrigerator if needed. Sometimes I even discover food that has been hiding at the back of the fridge for much longer than I expected. That's always an interesting surprise. After the kitchen comes the bathroom. I clean the sink, the mirror, the toilet, and the shower. A clean bathroom makes the whole house feel cleaner. It may not be the most exciting job, but it is certainly one of the most important. Then I check the bedrooms. I make the bed. I fold blankets. I arrange the pillows. I put away clothes that are lying on the chair instead of hanging in the closet. I think many people can relate to that. Somehow, the chair becomes a second wardrobe. Cleaning also gives me a chance to organize things. Sometimes I find old photographs, forgotten notebooks, or small items I thought I had lost. It's amazing what you can discover while cleaning. Every now and then, I decide to get rid of things I no longer need. Old newspapers, broken items, clothes I never wear, unused boxes. Keeping only the things I actually use makes my home feel bigger and more organized. One thing I have learned is that cleaning is not only about making the house look nice. It also helps clear my mind. When my surroundings are neat and tidy, I feel calmer and more focused. After a few hours of cleaning, I finally sit down and look around. Everything looks fresh. Everything smells clean. The rooms feel brighter. And even though I'm a little tired, I also feel proud. There is something very satisfying about seeing the results of your hard work. Then comes my favorite part. I make myself a cup of tea or coffee, sit on the sofa, and enjoy my clean home. That moment feels like a small reward. Of course, I know the house won't stay perfectly clean forever. Tomorrow there may be more dishes, more dust, more laundry. Cleaning is never truly finished. But that's okay. A little cleaning every day keeps everything under control. And the effort is always worth it. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. Do you enjoy cleaning your house? Or do you try to avoid it? Which room do you clean first? What is the most difficult part of cleaning for you? Do you listen to music while cleaning? And what small cleaning habit has made your life easier? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Take care of yourself, enjoy your clean space, and I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye.